VCC's role here is to help provide food for the community, for those in need. What we are doing is we are packaging together 2 lunches and 2 dinners in a bag that has apples, oranges, granolas, and snacks so that the people in need can have food for the next 2 days. This happens actually 3 times a week. So we're doing this on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday to a total of 6,000 meals a week.
The work that's going on here is amazing. VCC has been part of this community for over 50 years. And one thing that hasn't changed for us is our people make who we are and what we are. And the opportunity to help out in this COVID crisis is amazing. We've got people like John, his staff. We've got other suppliers supporting us to help our downtown east side neighbors so that we can help them get through this crisis and be part of a larger solution that's happening within the city, the province, and the country.